Sri Lanka is an island paradise resplendent with countless gifts of nature. All over the island, a vast majority among its population of over 20 million still live under economic hardship. Karuna Trust, an organization for human development. It's about vision. Karuna Trust, an organization for human development. Mr. Mahinda Karunaratne founded the Karuna Trust with the noble aim of enriching the lives of such communities. The trust is dedicated to upgrade the social status of the needy masses, irrespective of race, caste or creed. The social service initiative of the Karuna Trust commenced in 2003 with the construction of a house for an extremely poor family. Some highlights of the Karuna Trust thus far. The Karuna Trust has built houses for 70 homeless families in the remotest villages, as well as villages under the threat of terrorism. Buildings of entire schools which were ravaged by the war have been rebuilt and their facilities restored by the Trust. The fund has awarded scholarships to over 1,000 school children. Fully equipped school laboratories and libraries have been built by the fund, in addition to donating school books, clothing, and sports equipment, not only to school children in urban areas, but also to children from the remotest villages. In addition, the Trust has also launched programs to improve children's computer literacy. In yet another outstanding enterprise, the Trust has conducted leadership training workshops for school children in a bid to ensure a process-oriented and highly productive young generation.
Trustees of the Karuna Trust has been voluntarily running these activities for the last 17 years, along with my father, who's the founder and started this at his retirement from business career. We, however, would not have been able to do this without the support of our volunteers, well-wishers and donors. We want to recognize and appreciate all the support we've received. So originally, actually, we started the trust to build homes for the homeless. We built many homes, and then we went into building libraries and schools for disadvantaged children. And then we actually started giving scholarships, thousands of scholarships to school-going students who could not afford to go to school. So today, our key project is the eye care project. Not only we serve lots of people in this project today, it's earmarked as the key future project for us. However, we are also working on another very impactful project in Maharagama. We built a computer lab in Maharagama where we teach coding for disadvantaged children for free of charge. It's a 12-month-long coding boot camp where we take them through, and then we place them in internship for the industry. So we'd like to request support from the industry professionals. Especially we need a lot of volunteers in this program to teach these kids. I humbly request my fellow industry professionals to support us in that regards. We have the funding to run the program. What we need is actually volunteers in it.
In addition to steps taken in improving preschool education, the fund has also provided vocational training to school leavers so that they too would become productive citizens. The Karuna Trust has also rehabilitated many irrigation tanks and reservoirs to revive the livelihood of rural farmers. In addition, the Trust has given substantial aid towards developing small industries in the rural sector. Another priority area has been the rehabilitation of temples and other places of worship, where the Trust has also provided ample facilities for children's Dhamma school education. The yeoman service rendered to the nation by the Karuna Trust has not only been appreciated greatly by the public, but also won recognition by the head of the state on several occasions.
In 2015, we felt the importance of eye care service and the dearth requirement of this worthy service in the remote villages. Also, according to our religion, giving sight to a blind is a great merit. Considering all this, we started working towards this worthy cause in 2016. We started an eye clinic in Maharagama where anyone can walk in and get their eyes screened free of charge. There onwards, we are doing this service island-wide. To do all these services, we don't have any paid staff and everyone works voluntary basis. The major donor of this project is Karuna and Sons, which is the family business of my family. The rest is from the donations. Also, we are doing another project to give scholarships to the students who have lost or completely disabled their breadwinner. Thank you.
150,000 persons among Sri Lanka's population are totally blind, while even more persons are affected by partial blindness. Cataracts, other vision impairments, diabetes and glaucoma are the commonest causes of such visual handicap. Cataract alone has already caused total blindness in over 100,000 cases, as well as partial blindness in 500,000 more. Over 150,000 school children also suffer from vision-related ailments. 8 million adults are in need of spectacles for reading, owing to many reasons, including poverty, ignorance, negligence.
I'm happy to say since mid-2016, Karuna Trust started Karuna Community Eye Care Service as the main healthcare project. We do free cataract surgeries for underprivileged patients and free spectacles for students with poor vision. For example, in 2019, we did 1,208 free cataract surgeries island-wide and free spectacles for more than 3,500 students. I'm happy to say since mid-2016, Karuna Trust started Karuna Community Eye Care Service as the main healthcare project. It's about vision. I encourage and humbly request all our well-wishers to join with us.
As yet another humanitarian aid project, the Karuna Community Eye Care Service was launched in 2015 with the noble aim of providing free eye care and services for helpless people living in rural as well as urban areas.
I have had a cataract in my right eye for 20 years, so I could not see anything with it. In my left eye too, I have had a cataract for the last 2 years and I couldn't see with that one either. The Karuna Community Eye Care program provided free surgery and restored vision in both my eyes. I cannot thank you enough for restoring our vision on a Poson full moon Poya day. Sir, may this merit be a blessing that illuminates your life in every incarnation. Throughout a year, I kept bringing my mother from the rural village of Gonavala to the Badula General Hospital. The number is 1,200, yet I couldn't get a date for the operation. Thankfully, the Karuna Trust restored vision for my mother in both eyes. I am eternally grateful to you.
Karuna Trust was formed in 2003 on my father's 70th birthday. Since then, he devotes his full time on the social welfare services of Karuna Trust. We have donated more than 100 million rupees so far for the trust fund. Even today, part of our company profit goes to Karuna Trust.
We most cordially invite you, dear friends and well-wishers, to join and strengthen the noble efforts made by the Karuna Community Eye Care Service towards this most worthy cause. It's about vision. Karuna Trust, an organization for human development.